Thank you for your interest in receiving a quote from Squeaky Clean and Dry for your cleaning needs. We're excited to provide a free estimate for you.
As you go through the process, please complete all fields to the best of your ability. This allows us to provide the most accurate quote possible. Whether you've had professional cleaning done in the past or typically handled things yourself, we're excited to announce to you our new multi-step process, which is sure to impress. You may typically find a one-step process at other companies, but we don't stop there. For floor and furniture cleaning, our process begins with a powerful preconditioner to loosen embedded debris deep within the carpet. We then follow this with a superior deep scrubbing with mechanical agitation. Pro tip, if you elect to choose our highest level package with the allergen removal, we use a high-powered HEPA vacuum followed with a binding agent that is guaranteed to remove 99.99% of all allergens. This is perfect for homes with children or elderly clients. We then spot treat stains and clean with a high-quality hot water extraction machine, as seen behind me. This water gets up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This method ensures the deepest clean and faster dry times, so you never have to worry about the potential of mold growth or waiting to walk on your floors. A special green-friendly enzyme is then sprayed to remove any lingering odors, giving that clean, fresh home smell. We then offer a protective coating to make sure your furniture and floors stay cleaner for longer. We're proud to share that this method has been proven to deliver superior results as reflected by our perfect 5-star rating. Research shows that this multi-step method is more than 2.5 times more effective than steam cleaning at removing soils, oils, dirt, debris, and allergens. This leaves your floors and furniture brighter, healthier, and cleaner. For mold and water damage inquiries, our expert technicians provide thorough inspections, third-party testing, and complete remediation in strict accordance with the IICRC 500 guidelines, the gold standard of mold and remediation. Not only this, but we work with your insurance directly to take the stress off of you. Backed by industry-leading certifications, extensive training, and our 100% guarantee, you can ensure that you're partnering with the right team to make sure your home is safe and healthy for you and your family. At Squeaky Clean and Dry, our mission is to exceed customer expectations on every level. After you receive your quote, one of our team members will reach out shortly to schedule your service at a time that works best for you. Thank you for choosing Squeaky Clean and Dry. We look forward to seeing you soon.